Hey guys, I'm a web and mobile application pen tester by day and a knowledge freak at night. So, the main motivation behind making this channel is I have watched like tons of YouTube videos at the start of my career. Although there were many videos on cybersecurity, cloud, programming, the main objectives of those videos were teaching people the basic steps or until an intermediate level. Like, see if there is a cybersecurity domain, you have web application pen testing, mobile application pen testing, and network pen testing. So many people teach like this is web pen testing, and they teach you the basics of it, and they show you what is an XSS, what is a CSRF, and what are the different types of attacks, and they give you a lab, and you do the lab and you learn the basics of it. But there is no real life scenarios out of it. What I want to do is, what are you going to experience in a real life scenarios? Like if you go to a company, what are you expected? What are their expectations from you? So a company wants you to do a static analysis, or another company wants you to check an API or test an API. So what are you going to do? How do you do that? And how do you do it efficiently? The main thing about companies is they want the code or the work to be done efficiently. If you don't do the code efficiently and within the time, you're going to get problems. So what I'm going to do with this channel is, first of all, I'm going to explain all the basics of it. Any field like cloud, security, malware analysis, these are the main fields which I'm experienced in. 5 years in the pen testing field for the web, mobile, and network. And then I have also experienced with cloud like AWS and Azure. So I'll also talk about the different types of administration, security practices in cloud, and how you manage cloud, virtual networking, and stuff. So what I will talk most about is these topics: web application security, and then we'll talk about mobile application security, bash scripting, which allow the most, Perl scripting for some small tasks, and Python the love, always use it for automation in my tasks. And then I also want to talk about cloud services, that is Azure, AWS, GCP, and security practices on them. I'll also talk about Linux, and we'll see different distributions of Linux, OS, networking concepts, and stuff. And that's the main objective of this channel. I'll make sure every topic of this is going to stay on the market standards, and each and every video is going to get updated. I want to make a series out of all these topics, and I'll make sure that most of the real life scenarios are going to be there. I'll start with the basics, then I'll go to the intermediate level, buy my own lab, I'll build an own lab, I'll teach people with the lab and with the exercises and stuff. Then we'll go to the real life scenarios, like 10 to 15 real life scenarios for each field, and how to tackle them and make Python scripts or bash scripts to automate them. Most of the tasks you do in security field can be done by bash and Python mostly, at least the small tasks. So that's the main reason why I'm going to teach bash scripting, Perl scripting, and Python automation in this channel. Because wherever you go, or cloud or security, you'll always need bash and Python. Perl scripting is basically used for system administration, but it's good to know. So these are the main topics which I'm going to cover. So anyone who is interested in these topics, feel free to learn from the videos which I have made. So that's it for the video. See you in the next video, guys.